Thanks for sharing your plan. I think where you went wrong is not understanding completely the program. I'm going to take these roof planes and delete them. Now what I'm going to do is go to build floor, build new floor, drive new floor plan. Yeah, it's fine. So we ought to get a rectangle as a result. I'm going to make the ceiling height, I guess that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Because what I'm going to do is just turn on the reference display. Where'd it go? What the heck? I get it. You've already created a floor 4. Okay. All right. Let's see. I forgot where that command is. Build floor. Yeah, there we go. Delete current floor. So on the 3rd floor, I'm going to go down and then up. There we go. There's the reference display. And I can't see, I guess those are your outside stairs over here. So what I'm going to do is go over to the railing wall. Now, of course, I don't know how big your deck's going to be. Let's say you looks like you want to mount it over here. So just for grins, I'm going to draw the deck over here, line it up with the wall below, line up with the wall below. These two don't matter. Now I've got a dialog box, and I can tell it that I want it to be a balcony. And I don't particularly care about the railing. See, now I've got a 3-story building, and the 3rd story is just this deck. Oh, you've got to, okay, I need to move that over, don't I? Let's hit Shift F6. There we go. So I'm going to go over here and move this over to the other side. I don't know, like Eric said in his post, it'd be nice if we had a better idea of exactly what you want to do, but I'm going to move the deck over here and line this wall here with the wall below. Okay, that should be room enough. And we're going to need a landing. So I'm just guessing here. I'm going to extend the deck like that. I call it a deck. It's not a deck, it's a balcony. Because the program's pre-programmed to protest when you put a deck over a non-deck room. Now, I didn't program the software. I've just observed that that's the way it's programmed to work. Okay, now I'm going to name this balcony. Okay. That looks pretty good. I wonder what's wrong with that railing there? What's going on over here? Just draw over that. Huh, I didn't do anything. There might be a roof plane left there that I can't see or something. Let me go down up more and see if I missed something. No, I don't see anything there. Could be causing that. Okay, let's go back up here. I'll just move this over a little bit, see if that helps. No, it's still screwed up. Move it. I'm going to tweak it back the other direction. Well, that is weird. Let me see if there's something. I've never seen that phenomenon where there's nothing to do that. Stop at ceiling above. I don't see anything that would could be causing that weird. Usually a roof plane might cause that, but there's no roof planes there. Anyway, what I was going to do is now over here to build, and yeah, you've got to set the quarter 12. And the roof will fill in. That was unexpected and unwanted. Sorry, clicked on the text instead of the room dialog button. See, yeah, no ceiling, no roof, but yet a built roof. Wonder why. Doing that same. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe you boogered this up accidentally. Let me check. I want to see if you changed the programming and you're guessing it's causing it to do that. Just going to check the roof tabs on these. Oh, boy. Don't tell me that. Done this 10,000 times. There we go. We'll go to the roof tab and see if you boogered anything up. No change. That's interesting. Okay. Put that there, quarter 12. And we don't need this. Oh, okay, that's fine. With that done, I'm just going to rebuild roofs and see if I get a different result with that misprogramming removed. Same result. Okay. I don't know why it's doing that and ignoring my room on the. Wait a minute, let me check that. Ah, bingo. No, no, no. We don't want to ignore the third floor. It's always a setting. But you don't get what you're expecting. It's a setting. There we go. I can't explain that railing. That's just inexplicable to me. I don't know what's causing that. That is just passing strange. It looks like there's a wall below. Let me line it up with the wall below. Maybe it's not a wall below. Let me take a look. No, it's a roof plane. Okay, there's no wall below. Okay, when I moved it into the roof plane, it chopped the railing off completely. Let me move it back until it reforms. I guess that's as good as we're going to get. Now, why? I don't know. But I think this illustrates where you were messing up. You draw the deck on the third floor, and then you build the roofs without the misprogramming it to ignore the third floor. Okay, and then build roofs, and then you get your flat roof and a deck. But this crap I don't understand. I've never seen that phenomena before. There's nothing here on the floor below to cause that. The roof planes look like they formed properly. Let me turn this off. But that wall looks funny. See how it's a line's missing here and a line missing here? I'm gonna turn the grid off. That's weird. I don't have an answer for that. I tried just drawing over it. That doesn't seem to work. See the same. Turn the reference display back on. Yeah, see that roof plane's just a little bit away from the edge, so that The roof line's not causing that. It was like that before I built roofs, remember? I just don't see anything that could be causing that. Okay, I don't think this will work, but I'm going to go back here to the plan screen and use a backclip cross section and take a look at that wall polyline for the rail. I just want to look at that one. Yeah, this one here. I'm going to try something. Just click on it, and I'm going to make it not a railing. Yeah, there's something causing that, because when I changed it to a wall, it's still messed up. Wonder what's causing that. That's interesting because I've never seen it before. I'm just going to straighten this wall poly line out as a wall. I'm going to take those breaks out of there. This is kind of beyond the pale, but whenever something like that happens, I just try to go back to basics. And okay, I'm going to set it to 36 inches. Okay, I want it to match the other rails. It's not, that temporary dimension wasn't giving me the proper dimension. So what I intend to do is take this wall and convert it back into a rail and see if that fixed it. It did. Yay. Okay. So that solved that. Now, why was that? I have no idea. I'm not a computer programmer or a software architect. I just used the software for a long time. Well, we finally got that straightened out. It looks relatively decent. I think that's, you would agree, except maybe for the roof there, that's kind of, you might want to move the deck out beyond the edge of the roof. And the way I would do that, oh, well, you've got it on this deck. Well, what I'm going to do, let's see, the roof overhang is what? 18. So I'm going to make this 18 inches wider. We'll go 8 feet plus 18. Then I'm going to take this and move that. I think that'd be minus 18x. Yeah, clear that roof overhang. And then I'm going to go a port up and make this match again. So here's the roof overhang here. So you have to kind of make space for that. I think that's a better setup. With that much overhang, you might need a post down here. I don't know, that's up to your engineer. That's about the best I can figure out for you. Not knowing your exact intentions, that's my best guess. Click here. Now, of course, I can't share this file with you because I'm using a trial version, but I thought I'd do it in Pro so you could see it done in Pro. Okay? Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, have a great day anyway.